Hey everyone, my name's Andy. Channel's Finding Value. If you like this content, subscribe, click the thumbs up button, leave some comments. Today in this video, we're going to go over YouTube subscriber picks. A lot of people leaving comments. A lot of people have some pretty good picks. So I'm going to get this in front of everybody. Let you guys know, this is a community. We're all sharing picks. We're all looking for companies. We're looking for bottoms. We're trying to get things that are bouncing off bottoms. So I've got a couple of picks here. I think there's 4 of them in total to share with everyone. So I call this the YouTube subscriber picks. So I'm charting picks by the YouTube subs. Here are some picks for everyone to look at that other subscribers have found. Some look pretty compelling, and I'm going to present them to everybody. There's 4 picks that I think at least are worthy of presenting here. So I think you pronounce it Lucara Diamond Corp. If you notice, we broke out the bottom of this gigantic pattern. Yeah, at least 4 or 5 year pattern here. Broke out to the upside. Usually when they break out like this, it goes sideways or higher. So I'm going to zoom in on this portion down here. This is what it looks like. And it looks like it has characteristics of a bottoming. You've got the nice big moves up, and then it kind of pulls back. Nice fast move higher, this impulse move we'll call it. And then it kind of comes back sideways, very nice and smooth and consolidated, with a lot of large up days all sprinkled within. That's a very good characteristic of bottoming. The volume's scarce a little bit, but not too bad. Nice big move higher. Again, we're doing a pullback. We're actually pulling up, pulling back, pulling up, pulling back. We're actually consolidating into a tip here, and it's probably going to go higher. So this could be one to look at. LUCRF is the ticker symbol. Lucara Diamonds. Next is Core Energy Infrastructure Trust. It's a real estate investment trust. Or not real estate, but it'd be an energy trust. Energy infrastructure trust, I should say. But here's a pattern that I've got put out here. It looks like it's right on the bottom here of this pattern. If we zoom in on it, you can see that we've got this downtrend here, and it broke its downtrend right here just recently. Maybe it'll come back and test the top here, or maybe not. But either or, we've got a ton of volume coming in after, I'd say, mid-April and on. So people are picking this up. Looks like it's a pretty good spot to be doing your research and possibly buying this company, trying to pick this bottom off here. So it looks pretty good. That's CORR. Next is Tellurian. I've gotten a lot of people talking about this company here. It's been going in this channel up and down, consolidating. It's right at the bottom here. If you zoom in on that, this is what it looks like, and I wrote a lot. So here it looks like there's a step change. Big move higher, and then the pullback. Big move higher, the pullback. Big move higher, like especially this big candlestick day. That's a gigantic day. It's like a 50% day or something. Came back, and we're doing the same kind of movements higher. Broke out of this pattern here. It may back test or come back down here, or come down some days. That might be a good spot to be picking this up. That's TELL. A lot of people talking about this. I think the management here is Cheniere Energy. There's some managers that came over to run this company from Cheniere Energy. So good management possibly here, and we're at like a bottom of a bottom. So this is a very good time, very good time to look into this company and pick up shares if you like them. Another one that I've gotten multiple people talking about is Antero Resources, ticker symbol AR. It broke out to the upside of this gigantic pattern. These patterns are huge, guys. This is it's back in like 2014, 2013. And all the way to mid 2020. That's a 7-year downtrend that we're breaking here. I zoomed in on it, and the volume's kicking up a little bit. We've pulled up on some very nice, big, large up days all through here. Obviously, a step change right here. Boom, higher. And now we're going through this pattern, and it broke up to the upside right here, and we're right at the top of this pattern. I like buying on tops of these patterns. So if you like AR, Antero Resources Corporation, now's a good time to pick this thing up. It's right there sitting at the top of the pattern. And I'm seeing a lot of the natural gas companies, they're all sitting at the top of those patterns. And that's very good to pick up because you've broken out of the pattern. They usually pull back to the top of it, and then you can just, pick up your shares. These are all very depressed companies. So buying these for the long-term hold, I think is a very good prospect to hold these things for 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Depends on when that cycle ends for the commodity boom. But typically these companies, natural gas, oil, and all of the service companies, and it looks like diamonds is riding this train too. They're all good to pick up. And look at your portfolio, look at what you want to pick, look at strategy wise what you want to pick up. Put a little in each of these companies and just sprinkle them out, and then just hold on. Do not trade in and out. Hold on. Look at your leading indicators. Look at real estate. Look at the ratios and see how they're interacting with each other. If it's still positive and they're still outperforming, don't sell and just hold on. And if you get some pullbacks here, some of these pullbacks are pretty big. You've got a $4.50 down to a $2.80 here. This is a pretty big pullback. So you got to get used to, going through these pullbacks, because a lot of these things are pretty volatile. And you just got to wait through them. Look at the chart patterns, pick some more up if they're low. That's how I'm playing it. If you like this content, please subscribe, comment, click the thumbs up button, and thanks for listening. This channel is Finding Value.